Hey guys, Monica from DealSearchingMama.com. Just a quick Walmart haul. The Equate Maxi Pads. These are $3.76. There's a $1.50 off one principal coupon for these, so I got 5. There's no coupon for the Ninja Turtles, but for the Disney Frozen, they are $4.74, and there's a $1 off one principal coupon, so it makes these $3.74, and they're 60 count. So for older kids, it's about a month worth for almost $4. Not too bad. Now, for those with the $3 off 2 Suave coupons, these detanglers are $1.88. The shampoos are $1.88. This mousse is $2.94. So I bought these two and used that $3 off 2. And strawberries at my store were $1.98, I think, for this. So not a huge savings, but still I stocked up. And there's a ton of other Walmart deals that I'm going to be posting, so make sure you check out the website, www.dealsearchingmama.com, for more deals. Happy shopping, everybody.